Realme phone volume button not working. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix Realme phone volume button not working problem. So let's see the step. First of all, you need to open settings. So go to the settings. Now scroll down and click on accessibility option. From here you can see accessibility menu option. Just click on this option, and here you can see accessibility menu shortcut. Just turn on this option. Now click on allow. Now you can see accessibility menu option enable. Just click on this option. From here you can up and down volume. Here you can see volume down and up option. Just click on volume down to down volume, and click on volume up to up volume. By this way you can easily up and down volume. If you want to fix your volume button, then follow next step. Just go back. Now just find apps option or apps management and click on it. Now click on apps management. Now click on search bar and search for settings. Just click on settings, scroll down, click on storage, click on clear data, click on delete. Now restart your phone. Just restart your phone. After all this process, now check your problem solved successfully. If your problem is still not resolved, that means there is a problem with the volume button. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.